What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Shine On Network. On this episode of Just the Tip, we're gonna go over why you should only go to touchless car washes or get a hand wash and stay away from all the car washes that are just slapping your paint with all the dirt and debris that came off the hundreds of thousands of cars before yours. Now here, we're looking at this Fisker, which our buddy Joe from Evolution Motorsports brought over. And the tip of the day is, if you look at this has easily been through 50, 60, 70, maybe 80 car washes. And what you're gonna see is swirls and scratches, especially on the bottoms of cars. If you think about it, your tires are just chucking dirt and debris out the whole bottom of your car. And when you go through the car washes that aren't touchless or hand wash like ours, what those tunnels are doing is it's taking all the debris off here, and at a high rate of speed, it's crushing it down your car all the way to the end where you're getting swirls, deep scratches, again, stuff that we can't remove. So the tip of the day is make sure that you go through touchless car washes. If you don't want to hand wash your car, that's fine. Hand washing is number one. Touchless car wash is number two. Stay out of the tunnel washes. It's not good for your vehicle. This is a huge investment for you, making sure that you maintain it properly. So, as always, guys, that's your tip of the day. Keep shining.